Oh, look at the moon. Oh, look at the moon. She is shining up the earth. Oh, mother, she looks like a lamp in the air. Last week she was smaller and shaped like a bow. But now she's grown bigger and shaped like an